All right, today is the 5th of December 2023, and these are my personal trading notes. This is the micro ES, and this pre-market I got in. Actually, I got in and took a loss early. I got in before 5 o'clock, which I usually wait until after 5, and which would be right in here. And I got in right here on what I thought was a bull flag, and I got stopped out, lost some points, and spent the rest of the time making it back up, and which I did. I'm back in the profit now. But here's once I realized it was going to start on down, uh, and I was using Bookmap to with the cumulative delta. I'm going to give that quite a bit of weight in the future. Here lately, I've been using it, and when I use the cumulative delta with everything on Bookmap, um, I haven't taken a losing day. So anyway, here's where um, I got in short right below this low right here. This is the 200 moving average, and the red line is the 20. Excuse me. So I got in below that low, and I got out in here somewhere. I can't remember exactly. So I made back some of my profit or some of my loss, and I was fading my trade. I was taking, so I get in like with 4 contracts short, and then I started buying like one, two, or one, one, and on so on. I didn't take them all back at once. And here I got in again below this candle. This red candle was an engulfing candle, and everything was still to the downside. This, like I said, this is the red line, and is 20 or the 20 moving average. And I got in below this low. I took profit right in here, and then it still looked like it was. I was completely out in this area. Well, then the I got in again below this low, or right here. The Bookmap started really selling off, so I just took a quick. I think it was one and a quarter point or whatever, and just got out for it. So I'm probably going to wait till the open of the market and kind of see what happens from there. Everything's still looking bearish though overall. Well, let me check real quick. Yeah, so still looking bearish, but that can change. So we'll just come back and see what happens here. So we'll pause it now and come back in a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to correct what I said a little bit ago. By not using, or when I first got in there this morning and I looked, the cumulative volume delta on the Bookmap, let me just show what it looks like here. Um, it's down in the negative. It was down probably around negative 600. Now it's down 25, negative 2,500. But I got long, and usually what I've noticed is when I was trading this, uh, in conjunction with the CBD or the cumulative volume delta, um, I would trade it in the direction that it goes, that it's headed on the negative side. And it wasn't that I had a losing day; I hadn't had a losing trade, and since I started doing that, so that's what that's not that's not normal the way I look at it. So anyway, especially the trading I've done in the past, or yeah, I've had plenty of losing trades. But today, once I started doing my trading to the downside on each one because this was negative, I all those I made that loss back, and now I'm in the profit. So I don't know. I'm going to keep on this and kind of as an experiment and just see what happens. But I really like this um, Bookmap. So I'll until this changes to the positive. I mean, I'm just going to kind of play it by ear and see what happens. So let me pause it. All right, so I'm in on the short side. I've got 6 contracts on the micro. The the cumulative delta, volume delta is just it's growing to the downside. So I'm at negative 25.76 right now. Let me just give a visual on that. There we go. Yeah. So It's looking like it wants to go down here at 55. There's a lot of, not a lot. What am I talking about? There's a little bit of liquidity here at 55. So my stop is going to be up above this high right here. Let's see, up here. So we'll see. It's not looking like it's dropping like a rock by any means, but still negative. I mean, in my mind, in my opinion, right now. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to pause it. All right, so my first take profit is at 57.50. It came down like it was going to go that way. Yeah, we don't know yet. It's still bearish, but it could turn around real quick. I'm just we're still pre-market too. I may pull this one up just a little bit more, just to 57. That way, have a better chance of it filling. And the book map is showing 55 is where there's a little more liquidity there. Not a whole lot, but a little more. So we'll see. Okay, I just took profit. Okay, I just took profit on both of those trades. So I'm out. Excuse me. Like I said, the book map thing is really, I really like this, but the cumulative delta, volume delta, is that it's, like I said, negative, and it's still still heading down. So I'll probably wait till after the market opens. I'm up 92 bucks right now before commissions. Um, I'm trying to do $100 a day on this small account, or I've got 3 small accounts with Apex trading. So I've got a link below. It's an affiliate link if you want to check them out. They do deals all the time. So I got in this one pretty cheap. This is an evaluation account, just so you know. So, but I'll come back if something happens here. All right, so I am done for the day. Made a few more trades today, and I was up. Like I said, this is the micro. So one account is 187.50, the other is 186 and a quarter, and the other one is $66. I kept a stop in, got it too tight, and I was up about 90 and then lost about 30 for it. So anyway, no big deal. Looks like it wants to climb a little bit right now, but I am out. I'm not going to trade anymore today, most likely. I don't think so. It's 1:20 in the afternoon. I appreciate you watching. Like I said, this is for my own benefit, so I don't have to keep a journal. This is my video journal for my trading. So if you got something out of it, I'm glad you did. So I hope you had a good trading day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.